Hi guys, good evening. This is Shah from Quantsutra. We'll be trading US futures today, and at the moment, I'm just looking at NAS, and there's some structure. Actually, there's no structure at all. In 1 hour time frame, you can see the highs is out, high is out, and the previous high is also out. Let's see, market open in 5 minutes. Yeah, market open in like 8 minutes. We'll see. We'll try to do open range breakout strategy here. We'll test it out here today again in the live markets. We'll see. Hello, good evening, guys. Uh, just wanna do a same kind of strategy. I told you right, I'll be using the same kind of strategy again in the NQ market. So I just wanna try it out today. Let's see how market will work. Bias. See, actually, what happened? Previous high was out. It doesn't sustain well, and it's fluctuating a lot. See, this is a very good wick. Can't hear you. Okay, am I not audible? Can, okay. Audible only. Okay, then it's fine. Let's see. So if, I think we took a trade in S&P, right? In that S&P, what happened? I'll show you it. Let me go to main S&P. Mm, okay, sorry. So this is the inverse FEG, as I mentioned. So we took a trade somewhere else here, targeting these highs. let me say this is no, 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 from here I think entry exactly target in these size. Okay, so what happened after that? As I mentioned you before, so some areas like let's say for example this is an active zone, right? So after that active zone, the market was in a consolidation for the whole time. Okay, market took out my SL. It tapped exactly here. It didn't show, but what happened? Because of the spreads, it was taken out. That's the one good reason that I was switching to the futures, not in the Forex. So it took, again came back, consolidated, again came back to the break even, again went down. This is a new scandal. Exactly, because of spreads. But still, we followed everything in the rule book. Okay, saw the inverse FEG, we have a good change of characteristics, and after that a good breakout. For example, let's say we have a good breakout structure. Again, let's say if in case we entered here also, we could have stopped out. Plan is good, okay, but let's say the plan when we enter, right, the execution time is not that good. Let's see, not a problem. Yeah, we'll figure it out in like 5 minutes. Let's say today we'll be trying only the ES. I don't know, this is a new scandal, right? So I'm expecting whenever the market open, I'm expecting a same kind of news candle to be appear here, but I'm not sure. Let's say, let me go to features. Yes. See, I was like plotted this one. Let's go for 1 hour and I'll give it to you. See, so this is an inverse FEG which I was planning to take it out from these highs. Okay, market pushed up. It's not sustained. See, this is a 1 hour candle having a very good VIX. One, two, three. This is not a good candidate. First of all, it's not a good PA. And after that, market consolidated out, again breaks it. So I think in the chart, someone asked me, what you're thinking about this one. I said I was like sticking to the plan. This, for example, this is my first target to tap in. So market tapped in, but we have a rejection. So do you observe this candle? This one, exactly this one. So how we can trade it this? So I'm expecting an upward only, upward direction only. I'm still expecting an upward. When you go to the lower time frame, right? This candle will look like in this way. A high and a low. Like let's say example, we go to 30 minutes time frame, then we'll understand. Oh, still the same. Let me go to 15 minute, still the same, 5 minutes, still the same, 3 minutes, still the same, and 1 minute, still the same. So this is a good spike, nothing much. So usually how candle appears, mm, like in this way. For example, if you have a candle like this, so not this one, this way, and a wick. Okay, consider that a candle and it's a wick. Example, this is a 1 hour candle. When we are to decode it for you have the four 15 minutes candles or two 30 minutes candle. How we can decode it? You will get a candle like this, like a very big candle, and after that a small correction to till this side. Okay, so what we can expect is market is a good upside push and a small retracement, and we have to push it in the top side. That's what we are expecting. Market open, let's see. 1 minute. Let me go to like 5 minute time frame. Okay, let the range form, then we'll understand. I'm deleting. Let the range form, then we'll go to like lower time frame and check. What you guys are checking other than the futures? I'm looking for short in NQ and ES. Yeah, might be. Do you find any proper structure here, Harun? If it forms, okay. If it forms, good. Okay, that's fine. Not forcing anything. Very good. At least I can hear these words from you. All the people sit here and they will try to force it. Most of the people, they're kind of FOMO. Let me mention the futures. Mm, I think the 5 minute range is done. Let's see. Let's plot the high and a low. Okay, why it was happening in this way? Okay, this is a high and a low. Exactly. Then we have 33 seconds left. We'll see. I'm looking for 30-minute IFEG to form in either. If it's respect all, I'll look for the longs after 9, 10 a.m. 10 a.m. New York. Okay. So let's see. So as I mentioned, right, in the morning, so we'll be testing the same kind of strategy in futures also. As I told you, the futures runs in this way. Most of the traders, what they do is they plot it out like 15 minute. They plot it out like 15 minute. Then they will decide. Guys, just give me 1 second. Sorry, guys. I got an important call. Okay. Now see rejections. Let's see. Maybe your short will come, Harun. Maybe we can short it in the different areas. Let's say let the market break out, then we'll decide. There's a good breaker block here. So this is an hourly breaker block. and this is an FEG. Let's say I'm removing this one. Let me focus on this hourly breaker block. If market breaks below, then we'll decide. If in case it was in a range, we can't do anything. Okay, let's say let it run for like at least 1 hour, then we'll decide. Hi Nikhil bro, good evening. See, this kind of PA that what I'm expecting is the PA is not that good. A lot of wicks, lot of wicks. Let's see. Okay, what is this? 30-minute FEG, 30-minute FEG. Oh, okay. But if you look at it properly, market has took out the highs. Okay, both lows and highs at a time. Now it has to form a proper structure, then we can decide. Go to 1 minute. Okay, it gives a good break. And do we have any breaker blocks available? Nope. Let's say we have a no, one point of interest is there. Let's see. This is one kind of point of interest. What I'm expecting is let the market fall, tap in. Either it should need to be rejected from this area, then we can decide to fall. Let's say we'll see it. I mean, we don't have any proper point of interest for the proper rejection. This is a complete, it's a kind of break. After that, it was not retested properly. I just want to know how it will retest. Okay, if in case it is a proper retest, then we can aim for this, what we call a 1 hour breaker block. What's happening in NQ? Oh wow, it's a 5 minute. Okay, no, it's not 5 minute. This is 5 minute. Mm. Mm. Broke and went back again. It's still in a range. Hope this one also do the same. Mhm. Change of characteristics was happen, and the breakup structure was also happen. Let's see what happened. Yes, yes, same. No retest. But okay, we might have an inverse FEG plan. We'll see. Can expect these highs. Is there any news? Is there any news for today? Let me check. News is over. Dude, I can't trust the Trump man. Yeah, exactly. NFP review. Subdued expectation, but downside risk glory. Near, just nearly concluded the policy cycle. Nothing in the Forex factory. So guys, if in case you don't find anything in the Forex factor, right, try checking investing.com. Investing.com will have everything, every news. Okay, this thing is also as well. We'll see. I hope it's not consolidated. Can plan. No. The why I draw this, the candle closed still inside an inverse FEG. It didn't go outside. That's a major reason I planned this one. What about ES? Okay, ES tapped in and breaks outside. So I don't think this will invalidate. This is invalidate. Let's see. Let me go to the ES. ES is giving a clear signs. You can plan out in this way, or else we can plan from here itself, or else we can plan from here. So there is a three zones. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. Okay, depends upon the volume. We can enter in these three kind of areas. I'm expecting still a consolidation because volume is not that good. Let me check in 3 minutes. See, it's barely coming outside. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Let's say let me go back to 1 minute. Consolidating and consolidating. Mhm. No, the volume is not that good. After retest, it has to have a good volume. At least like breaking these two candles. This is engulfing happen, but these candles are not that good. See, this is a red candle form and it was engulfed here. Am I audible? Yes, right? Okay. I thought I was on mute. Not much of happening here. Close to outside. Still giving the wicks. Oh no. Maybe this is the reason I think I never trade on the news days. If even though the news happened before, I never trade on the news days. What happened in MNQ? Hmm. Reacting from FEG. You guys are observing anything other than NQ and ES? Shivaramakrishna, Harun. Okay. It's still rejecting. The candles are not that good. It shouldn't be open in these kind of gaps. Let's see. The price closed here and opened up somewhere else here. It's good here. This LLM represents something. No, bro, I got a trade in. I only trade in NQS and gold. Gold hit my level. Okay. Let me check. Mm. Okay, let it retest. Then we can try to enter in this one. I need a proper retest. As I mentioned, you right in the morning live also. Market broke, failed to retest, went up again. Again, market went down. Let's say how it will retest. High is not out, low is out. Let's say if the retest is happen here itself, then we can try to trade. Harun, do you feel bored while trading in these charts, the futures and all, whenever the market open? Not for the last year. I'm just asking for this year. Last year is good. Last year, October, November is super. I'm like too bored trading this thing. Why? Because it has too many wicks in the 15. Let's say if you go for 15-minute time frame, we're trading in the intraday. You have like too many chops. Okay, still no retest. FEG. Let the retest happen. We can plan an entry like this. Okay, where is 1 hour one? Okay, these lows are out, right? So we can plan for these lows. Okay, this is quite a big. Let's see. We need to have a middle line. Let's say, let's put it in the black. Mm. I was smashing it, got few payouts after Trump came. I just can't, bro. Non-stop loop of blowing account. Exactly, the same thing happened for me too. Uh, okay, it was closed. We can plan an entry in this way, like keeping an SL on top of it and planning for in this way. Let's see. Let me enter. This is an NQ, right? Okay, Nasdaq. Let me enter in Nasdaq, then we'll try. Funding pips. Indices. Index 100. This is 1 minute time frame. So this is 1 is to 2.4 trade. Let's see if you make it 1 is to 1, then we'll do the break even stuff. Then rest the flow. Is it 38, 39 points? Let me dim it. Okay, I don't have any at the moment. Let's see. Actually, it didn't tap actually, but what happened? It kept rejecting from in FEG itself, the half area. If in case it closes above the half, right, then I have to decide. Okay, will it go up or not? Let's see if the market goes in this way also, right? It might taps in. If in case it closes above, we can expect this is a lost trade. I didn't place any. Let's see. Mm, mhm. Let me delete this one. I'm not sure about this trade. It's going a little bit sideways. See, market dump gives a reaction. Let me go to 3 minutes. You see, pushed and a small correction. That's it. It doesn't retap. Let me close this one. Let the market retap, then we'll decide. Let it taps here, then we'll decide. Okay, highs and lows. Okay, again same thing. No, the tap is not happening. Let's see. Let the market tap, then we'll decide either for long or short. I can switch the bias right itself. What I can do is, if in case taps and closed above right, let the market to play out highs, tap into this inverse FEG, then to these highs. It didn't tap. I know the market is playing right now. It's literally squeezing. It didn't tap. Let it tap. We are into half an hour. Markets open half an hour before, like 4 minutes away. But still we didn't get any setups. Let's say we keep it in this way. Okay, we'll decide. Even I can't play the FEGs or the inverse FEGs here. Can't play anything here. Either there is no order block or the breaker block to try to enter. Harun, you are planning for 30 minutes, right? I'm looking for this. Oh, okay. Looking for 1 hour. Oh, 1 hour gonna take a lot of time. Now this is a good volume. Let's see. Uh, let the market tap in this one, then we'll decide. Let's see. I took these kind of trade at like 3 to 4 times after retest of the trend line. Let's see. Let the candle close. Push it from the tops. We'll go for like 1:2s. If it was a continuation trade, let's go, or else we'll eat an SL. I'm ready to enter this one. Okay, let's say the stop loss placed above the candle. Is it in 1 minute? Yes, it's in 1 minute. Uh, okay, the chart is so different. Let's say, let me place an order, pending order, order placed below. Where is SL? Okay, SL placed and above of this targeting 1:2s. Okay, that's a 0.5 lots. Let's see. So it tapped, right? It tapped into this trend line. Wow. I was about to enter from these lows. SMT with ES, it could go up. See, it was kept falling neatly. Let's see with this MNQ. Still, if the candle closes below the trend line, then we can decide, and it's still going above. No structure at all. Let's play out this one too. Okay, actually what happened, the S&P 500 spreads are too high in funding pips. I'm not taking any trades in the future at the moment. I'll start taking like in few days, not now. No. So you're saying SMT in 30 minutes, right? 30-minute SMT. Okay. No, 1 minute. 1 minute SMT. Okay, you're saying this one? Why my chart is looks different? Okay, you are talking about NQ. Okay. So you're talking about this one, right? If in case it wanna go up, it has to take out one of the highs. It's a sweep. Okay, it doesn't take the high. It took out the low, but reach back again. There will be a little bit differentiate. We have to different, but my bias is still downside though XT. Okay. See what we can do is if the market push in this way, in an aggressive way, at least like tap in this one, then we can decide from which FEG or the order block or else a breaker blocks converted. But what happened here? The market is not even tapping or else into coming back into these zones of a 5 minute range. Hmm. Let's say we'll do one thing. We'll do one thing. It's still an FEG. It's not invalidated. Not invalidated. Let's say market closes above with a very good volume, then we can enter here itself. If the market closes in this way, like the candles with the choppy PA and all, what we can do is we wait for the retest, then going back to these highs, then we can start taking the trade to the 1:2s. So that's the game plan. Let's see. See, there is a, as Harun said, we have an SMT lows. If that is the case, this is also one kind of SMT. Still, mhm. So what I'm expecting is, let's see, the market is squeezing here. Also, we can decide a trend line like this. Okay, the market is squeezing in this way. Still the same. Is there any news pending? No news, right? Let me check it in the investing.com. Investing.com. Mm, economic calendar. Okay, what's the time now? 7:30. Okay, in 8 minutes, ECB President Lagarde speaks for the euro. See, we have a news. But I'm not sure. Will it affect the this pair or not? Let's see. So one more tap, then we'll decide. Sell placement here. Don't keep it as a pendant. Okay, we'll keep an SL down there. 1 minute. No man, it's still closing below. We can try entering from these highs, keeping an SL below. Targets to these highs. Okay, retest failed. Let's see if it's not working. I don't know why. The market is still in a consolidation zone. Okay, if you want to try, we can try in this way. It has to put with a good volume. Okay. No. Invalidated. Giving a good amount of fake outs. Investopedia. Jawdown stocks losing grounds to the early trading hours. Thanks, bro. Investors await trade deal. A news after reports Trump spoke with China Xi Jinping. Then it will consolidate. I don't think it will have we will have any proper setups today. Once the Chinese president Xi Jinping will speaks right, then it will explode in either way. We don't know. Did he speak? No, right, bro? We gave a statement, and what's the time in, let's say, Shanghai? It's 10 in Shanghai. It's 10 in the Shanghai. Some discussions going on about the trade. Yeah, yeah, bro. That's what I'm saying. Some discussions are still going on. Uh, but either of the parties need to be react right. Either from the US or from the China need to react in a proper way. I guess we can see a good momentum after press release. Yeah, exactly. Fake. Let's say it retest above. I can't do anything for today's live. That's it. Let's say, see, this is just not no volume at all. It simply is price driving up and down. That's it. Price drew up, push down. Price drew up, push down again. Let's say if in case we want to try, right, we can try in this way. Let's say I will take a day step and then try from these lows. Let's see. Okay. Nope. Let me delete this one. Consider a swing low came, then a high form, low, a high, sorry, a high and a low. Okay, so we will draw a box and we'll decide. Let's see. Okay, it's a good fake out to the top side, but again came inside. Let's see. Let's see again what will happen. Fake out, fake out. Bro, is there any timing for that press release? I mean, did they mention anywhere else in the press release regarding the press release? Mm, let's say we'll do one thing. We'll wait till 8. We'll wait till 8, then we'll decide. Okay. What happened here when you sit in front of these kind of price action, right? This kind of price action, right? It always tends you to take an entry, review this AUD USD. Oh wow, this is a good trade, bro. Wait, let me open the AUD USD in the moment. AUD USD. See, it was a classic example, a flip, a retest, and it came down. Even if you go for like 15 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes is too far. Let me stick it to the 5 minutes only. Market post. This is a good volume, small, what we call as correction and dump. Where we can enter the trade is we can enter the trade from here. Okay, from these lows, targeting these highs. Sorry, placing like 1:2. This is a classic example. So I'm just trying to get these kind of entries here, but the market was consolidating heavily. I don't know when we'll have the press release and all, as bro mentioned. Bro, you always put buy stops and sell stops. Usually I do the same. I mean, buy stops and sell stops. Most probably, what happened here when we are in the 1 minute time frame, right? When I'm trading in the 1 minute time frame, I use direct market entries. When I was like trading in more than like 5 minutes or 15 minutes and all, I'll place stops. This is an instant trade. Instant, what we can say, how many pips? It's an 8 pips. It's a very small one, but it's an instant to what we can say 1:2. Good catch, bro. If you really catch it, Vardhan bro, then it's a good catch. Let me do this one too. Let me shrink it off. No. Oh, okay. Understood. And you saw this one. It's a good move actually. You're saying, excuse me. Oh, this one. Okay, in 3 minute time frame. Mm, we can plan for a flip. Let's see. Planning for a flip. See what happened here. I can explain, bro. What happened here? If you see, this is a good liquid area. Okay, market took out, and again, this is a new candle. Let's say this is a new candle, and we are done. And after that, market push with a no liquidity. This is the price keep on jumping and jumping and jumping to find the liquidity. That's it. And after that, what happened? Consolidated again, and it started recovering. Had literally a V recovery has happened. You understand my point, right? See, the good liquid, market took out. Good liquid, market took out. The good liquid, market took out. So this is a proper PA. Okay, if you get the candles like this, right? You don't know where to enter properly. Okay, if in case you enter also, it may you may get stop loss easily. Either you will be in the stop loss hunt, or else you will be like sitting there and watching the whole day with the FOMO. If in case you didn't enter the trade. Let's see what happened. In 30 minutes, I'll close the trade. The thing is, the more I sit in front of these fund trades, I was like trying to enter. Let's say you can enter in this fake out and all. This is an unnecessary trade and all. I don't want to enter. I just want to have to get a proper confidence. Then I can enter it. NQ exactly. ES gave a very good move. See, this is a point of interest. Market pushed up, tapped in here, closed outside, and it's a good fall. Okay. Example, let's say is a good fall, right? We enter here, we would have get 1 is to 2 exactly. Okay, but what happened here when I was watching this, I switched to NQ and I left this one blindly. Now what happened? This went and that was a consolidating. I have to get a premium. Then I can observe both at a time. Mm. You watching any other stuff? I mean, any other Forex? Oh, outside. I understood. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I saw the XRP. It hits the TP. Hmm. Yeah, 1 minute. Anyway, it is not working, right? Let's XRP, right? XRP USDT dot P. Hmm. I think we entered here. We planned for entry here. That's a 1 is to 2 trade actually. This one. Exactly. We placed an SL somewhere else here. It's a 1 is to 2 trade. No, not this extent. This extent, I think so. That's it. Yeah, something is happening. It was the market was keep on dumping. Oh, okay. Let's see if the candle closes below red, then we can decide. Either it's a sweep or a break. This one. See, this is the whole liquid. It took out easily, aram se, and it's recovered again. You can plan an entry in this way from these lows. Let the rejection cap. After that, we can test it in this way. If it is in a continuation trade, we can get another continuation trade till here. Anyway, the NQ is not moving. NQ is not moving. AUD USD. Yeah, AUD USD. What, bro? NZD USD. That's my favorite pair. NZD USD. What happened in the NZD USD, right? NZD USD in the higher time frame, you'll get a very clear news. Okay, not like these kind of things. You'll get a very clear move where you can properly trade in that. Even these spreads are also high. I said let me go to like 3 minute. I don't know why, but some platforms don't offer like 3 minute time frame. Very strange. Oh, this is pretty large. Let me keep it as 1 is to 2 on that. It can go till this extent. I can expect to till this extent, but still, the trade you took it right in the ES afternoon. My spreads took out the SL and it came back to the TP. Yes, S&P 500. Mm. So trade workout. The strategy worked out. Bro, you always put. Okay. I already read it. I'm sorry. So this is a 1:2. Where is 1:1? We'll do one thing. We'll keep an alert here. Add an alert. Once it reaches this one, right, then we can do the break even and make a safe trade. Let's see. This is a 1:2. Add an alert. Do we have any other left? Okay. And we can push it till this extent. Harun. Now I'm interested in shorts in NQ. Okay, let me check. Oh, okay. Finally, it breaks out. Okay. So we are pairing up. This is a consolidation. Let's say you are almost came to your POI. Okay. Which one? Which one you're talking? NQ. Okay. Let the manipulation happen. Then we can do. This is. See, this is a classic example. We can say same thing. Too much of accumulation. Let's say this is a manipulation, right? You can try in this way, right? Let's see. Yeah, exactly. Let's see. We can see the rejections. See, volume pump, the good volume, and the volume slowly decreases. Sellers are entering into the market slowly. No, bro, it's still in. Let's see. Okay. Oh, it's in the 1 minute. Are we watching the same trades? Why it look different? I put a limit here. Okay. No, 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 no. The one which you placed it right here, the K concept one, it says micro E Nasdaq 100 index future CME. Okay, that one. When did you place that one? It's in 1755, like 1 minute before, right? In my chart, it was like going uptrend, and you was still there. Might. Mhm. Let's see. Uh, let's wait for some more time. I can sit here like 5 to 10 minutes. That's it. I'm literally bored, bro. See, it's consolidated for the whole time. It gave a single-sided put with no liquidity, no point of interest, or else we don't know where to enter. It doesn't leave any proper refugees to entry. Mhm. Do you get that notification? I don't think so. That's fine. Mhm. It's not working. Can't take I can't take any kind of trades in these kind of liquidity. Mhm. See, it's a micro. It says MNQ, MNQ1, SMT with the ES. Yes. Okay. See, tapped in and the rejection, and where you found the SMT in the highs. Okay. So you're talking about these highs? No, no, I'm asking Harun. It says 942 high next to it. 942. Are you watching with -4 timing? Let's say, let me switch to the -4. New York. Okay. So you're saying 940 for next. Okay. This is 942. Okay. This is 9. Okay. So you're saying this one? Yeah. Oh, okay. That's what I plotted, right? See, from these highs to these highs. I'm not expecting for a shot here. No, I'm just calling off for today. There's nothing happening. See, this is a one-side liquidity run. Either we can't enter, let's say if you go in 3 minute also, if you see, there was so much of cluster. There's a no proper entry model for me. There's no proper entry model for me. I'm expecting this will push to the upside to this area. So there is no entry model for me exactly to enter. Bro, if you observe, no order blocks, no breaker blocks, no flips. If in case it come, it has to come to till this area for this FEG. We have one structure shift. Mhm. Hello, I'm calling off for today. I'm let's see what happen will tomorrow, or else we can do one thing. We can check same kind of entries in London opening like yesterday. Sorry, like today. If you guys are okay, we'll join tomorrow morning. Uh, tomorrow morning, yeah, tomorrow morning the same time by 11:15. Then we'll try to enter the trades in this one also. There's no proper setups found till now. Still the same point of interest was they are rejecting from this point of interest. I spoke to a market maker. He's gonna give me an IFPG now. Wow. Same point of interest. So I'm calling off for today, guys. If in case I found anything relevant, I'll be posting it in the either in futures or Forex. Uh, Please do put your notifications on for the Discord and be active in the chats. Thank you for joining in. Peace. Thank you, Nikhil, bro. Bye, bro. Ah, I'm living. Mm. Lele. Mm. Exactly. See, uh, 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Thank you guys for joining the stream. Uh, Actually, we didn't get any trades for today. What happened? Market was in a consolidation stage. There is a news where they hold on the trades for the China and all. We didn't get any news notification till now. The market is just simply giving the fake outs. So, instead of forcing the setups, let's sit on the cash for the tomorrow, and we'll be trading tomorrow again for the same time, somewhere between 6:45 from the Indian Standard Timings to 8:30. Until then, peace out, guys. Come back again for your tomorrow live streams. Hope you guys make some profits out of it. Not today, maybe tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Hmm?